Down here at out for my walk with my dog. We're down here at the children's arena where they got a botanical garden. I took pictures of this last week. I'm gonna walk through the garden. They got little waterfalls and everything set up. It's actually really nice. A lot of money and time and effort has gone into this. A bench to sit down on, stone. Come on, Lou. Sorry about the finger there. Weird looking trees and flowers. Little bridge. Of course, no, this is not natural. It's not a natural waterfall. It's obviously fed by a hose or something like that. Pump. It's down there. Some sort of wire sculpture. Butterfly. It's a butterfly garden too. Monarch. Leave him alone. It's not that big of a garden, but this is just I guess the feature down here, because it's all, the whole place I walk down here is all garden. There's lily gardens everywhere and peony gardens, and the peony gardens are over there. They have a peony festival every year in June. Yeah, so that's that garden. I'll end my vlog for today.